Okay, it's David here, and tonight we're going to make some salad rolls, which is a light sort of snacky treat that we sometimes have for supper. So there in the picture, you can see everything that we use. We've got some bean thread noodles, and I put them there in a baking pan, a bread pan actually, and all I did was pour some boiling water on them, and then drain the water off. And you can use rice vermicelli too if you want. And then top left, we've got some greens there. We're using pea shoots and radish microgreens that we grow in our window, but you could use chopped lettuce of whatever kind you like. Then there's some rice paper, which we will put in some warm paper to soften, and then that's what we actually make the roll with. There's a small bowl of peanut sauce, which is just peanut butter, some olive oil, and some diced jalapeno to give it some spice. There's a plate there of some small cooked shrimp and some julienne carrots. And then, of course, there's a package of rice vermicelli. You can use vermicelli or bean thread noodles, and actually, I think in this time I used the rice vermicelli. Okay, so all you do is take one of the rice cakes and you put it in some warm water. Just in the bottom left, very barely visible, is my cast iron frying pan that I put hot water in. Soak the rice paper until it's soft, and then take it out, spread it out on your work surface, and try and get it as round as you can, but it doesn't need to be perfect. And then put a small handful of your noodles on there, and then you can add your greens and your julienne carrots, and then some shrimp, and then roll it up. Just take the first edge there, flip it up, and then fold the right and the left hand side over, and then finish rolling the salad green, and then that's it, right? And then put them on a plate and serve them up with some peanut sauce, or if you like some other dipping sauce, use some other dipping sauce, but they're commonly served with a peanut sauce. And as I say, it's a nice light snack. Sometimes we have them for lunch, sometimes we have them for dinner. Okay, all right, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Make a comment, and if you'd like to subscribe or share the video, that would be appreciated. All right, thanks. Talk to you next time.